the shower. Yeah, I don't know where this little bump came from. Then again, you know what? I do know where it probably came from. Using the Paula's Choice exfoliator. Girl, I've been drinking Coke Zeros. Mind you, I don't drink dark sodas, but because I went out to eat this weekend, um, I was trying to get a water. I'll get a water also, but these restaurants been having Coke Zeros, and I normally drink a Sprite Zero, so I'm like, oh, let me just do a Coke Zero. And I've been turning them up, and now I think that's why my face is breaking out. Well, it's just right there. It could be from that or my cycle. My cycle's coming in a few days, so it could be either or. But I don't be liking that. I've been liking this eye cream by Good Molecules. Only because this eye, for some reason, when I start to do my makeup, it's like this eye be creasing. Well, not creasing, but it just waters. So I was like, I might have started doing eye cream. Well, eye gel. Just to see if that'll help. I'm going up with the overnight mask. Y'all, this is my favorite mask. I need to order some more. I'll start my battery on dead. But I'm about to chill with this face mask on. This lash won't give me problems because she want fake hang off. But I finally about to watch the rip and sip my water. And, you know, watch them live on TikTok. And I'm actually about to get started on editing this Sunday's vlog. I already started, well, I already uploaded my clips to see how much footage I got. And then, yeah, I'm gonna just go from there. But I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Yeah, I ain't doing nothing. Pretty chill. Depending if I want to start a book, but I'll probably just wait. But, yeah.
From right here?
Yep, and this is just one of over 1,600 organic family farms in our...
I got rice cakes and I made tuna. And I put a little bit of mustard in the tuna and the egg whites. And I got the rest of my egg. I don't know why The pepper came out like this. It's a little heavy pepper, but don't just excuse that. This is my little lunch. And then I got a Olipop ginger ale, and I mixed it with some cran raspberry juice. Hey y'all. So I want to make these fruit and yogurt bars. I've never made them before, but I want to try. This is how they're going to look. And I think I have all the ingredients to make it. Only thing is I don't have the press paper or the type of paper that she's using. So I'm going to use foil. And yeah, it looks so good. So I already got some strawberries and I already got them cut up. So I'm going to put this in my bowl. Let me get y'all up. Got the yogurt, got the strawberries, and I have granola. And I got the granola. Alright, so I got everything for it. So let's see what we can do here.
I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Back when they thought pink polos would hurt the rock. Before Cam got the shit to pop, the doors was closed. I felt like bad boy street team. I couldn't work the locks. Now let's go. Take them back to the plan. Me and my mama hopped in that U-Haul van. Any pessimists, I ain't talk to them. Plus I ain't had no phone in my apartment. Let's take them back to the club. At least about an hour I stand online. I just wanted to dance. I went to Jacob an hour after I got my advance. I just wanted to shine. Jay favorite line, dog, in due time. Now he look at me like, damn dog, you what I am. A hip-hop legend. I think I died in an accident, cause this must be heaven. I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Now let's take them high. Now let's take them high. Back when Gucci was a shit to rock. Back when Slick Rick got the shit to pop. I'd do anything to say I got it. Damn, them new loafers hurt my pocket. Before anybody wanted K-West beats, me and my girl split the buffet at KFC. Dog, I was having nervous breakdowns. Like, man, these niggas that much better than me. Baby, I'm going on an aeroplane, and I don't know if I'll be back again. Sure enough, I sent the plane tickets, but when she came to kick it, things became different. Any girl I cheated on, she skeeted on. Couldn't keep it at home, thought I needed a knee along. I'm trying to right my wrongs, but it's funny them same wrongs help me write the song now. I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day you die, you gon' touch the sky. You gon' touch the sky, baby girl. Testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day you die, you gon' touch the sky. Yes, yes, yes. Guess who's on third? Lupe still like Lupe in the third. Here like here till I'm bitter on the curb. Peach fuzz buzz, but bitter on the verge. Let's slow it down like we're on the serve. Bottle shaped body like Mrs. Butterworth. But before you say another word, I'm back on the block like I'm laying on the street.
This how they look. It's been an hour. Okay, not bad, not bad. Now I'm about to do the chocolate.
I'm trying to stop lying like a mum ride, but I'm not lying when I'm laying on the beat. On guard, a touche, Lupe, cool as the undog, but I still feel possessed as a gun charge to come as correct as a porn star. And a fresh pair of steps and my best foreign car. So, I represent the first, now let me end my verse right where the horns are like, I gotta testify, come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day you die, you gon' touch the sky. You gon' touch the sky, baby girl. Testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day you die, you gon' touch the sky. We back at home, baby. Sky high, I'm sky high. I'm sky high. I'm sky high.
about to try it. I hope it's not too stuck to, okay. Cause I was like, dang it, it might be stuck to this foil, but it is not. It's so cold. Mm. It's good. It's so cold, but it's so good. So I'm about to eat me one of these. I'm about to finish watching the movie The Rip because I fell asleep on it last night. So I'm about to continue that. And I'm gonna check my y'all in a few.
I'm so cozy.
got us another package from TikTok shop. You should already know what it is because I told y'all I was gonna order that eyebrow stuff again, and I did. So this time I got the number 4, and the number 4 should be black. Since they didn't have espresso, and you know that brown did not work out for me, so went ahead and got black. So we're gonna try this again with the brows. Yeah, it's black. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix my brows, and then we're gonna see how this about to get. Oh, I need to clean her up. Oh, and my skin is dry because I just washed my face and I didn't put any product on. I got my LA Pro concealer again. This is in the shade Toffee. And I'm just gonna line my brows up because I want it to be shaped a certain way. You might not be able to see me. Let me see if the zoom in will work this time. I'm still learning my camera, child. Just bear with me. Of course not. I ain't got time to fool with it. I probably gotta flip it the other way.
She look like 90s R&B. Her friends, I guess, WV. Took the weave out and left it short. It still look hella good to me, baby. I'm the secret biggest fan of staying friends. We can chill with everyone. I need someone intimate. I'm a taste with dog and touch you get so flat. While I'm plugging to the beach, baby, join me if you can.
But yeah. Now I'm about to use my tattoo eyebrow gel. And then I'm going to leave this on for an hour like it suggests. So I'm going to do one eye with y'all and then that's all. Need to use my little mirror. So we're going to start with the tail first. And I'm just lightly stroking it. Just lightly brushing it on there. And this time I'm going to try to make it a little thicker because I do like my brows a little thick. Not too thick though, but thick. I'm sorry, you couldn't even see. Now, when I get to the front, because when I get to the front, I'm just going to lightly stroke the front of it, like the beginning of my brows, because I like them to be like fake shaded a little bit. Okay, so that's how it look right now. And then I'm going to go ahead and do this one off camera, and I'm going to come back and show y'all both. And then I'm going to let it sit for an hour, and I'm going to go ahead and do my lashes. I'm not going to show you my lashes because we did this in the other video. I'm only showing you this because I got a different color. But I'm going to come back once everything is done. Okay. I'm out of breath because I just ran up the stairs. Jesus, I'm tired. Okay. Oh, not the corners already lifting. All right. I like it. Now, I think next time I'm going to have to do 2 layers because you can see it, but it's still a little shaded over here. So it's like next time I need to do 2 layers. And then that's how that one looked. Yeah, so definitely do 2 layers next time. But the black works out. I like it. We're going to see how this lasts because my skin is very oily. So I don't know. I know the last one didn't really last because I didn't really take care of it because I was ready for it to come off anyway. So we're going to see how this one lasts. So today is Friday. We're going to see how it looks in the morning. And I'm about to clean this concealer up off. But yeah.